Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how window button names, menu and toolbar entries changed in Beas 2020.09 to align with the SAP style. Beas versions before 2020.09 featured different button names and layout. If you wish to change the default SAP style to the old Beas feel, modify the settings to the Beas old deprecated style in the configuration wizard. The button layout has been changed in the following way. The first button in the button window section contains the main function of the screen. The second button is the cancel button, as the logic is to always have the possibility to cancel modifications and close the form. After the first two buttons, there is a break in the continuous line of all buttons. From the third button onwards, there are additional functions. Browse forms listing a list of records do not exist in SAP. Here, the mentioned order is followed by a text box with quick search field function and custom buttons at the end. The buttons Search, Filter, New, Duplicate, and Remove can be found in the right-click context menu and the toolbar area. Several buttons have been renamed to follow the SAP design. The End button will be replaced with Cancel, Copy will be replaced with Duplicate, Delete will be replaced with Remove, Edit is changed to Open, and in item search, we replace OK with Choose. In multiple selection form, we replace Update with Choose as well. In specific forms, we replace View with Open. We have new icons for window settings, inventory history, and changelog. The activity log has been renamed to changelog to align with SAP terminology. Here, window settings and templates are supported. New fields are Program, Application, Workstation Name, Beas version, Personal ID, and Personal Name. For all others, the system uses the same as SAP. Due to the changelog improvement, the following new fields are available in all SAP documents to track all related information: Created Program, Origin, Created App, and Beas version. Please note that the Beas Web Activity Log title kept its name and is unchanged. In Beas now, you have full functionality of the SAP toolbar. All marked icons are now working in Beas. All available entries are now both available in the toolbar and the right-click menu at the same time. The system uses the same icons in all places. The toolbar has also been changed in Beas standalone with the same icons as in the SAP environment, but only icons supported by Beas are available. Please remember the settings of the button design and that the SAP style is a new default. If you'd rather use the old Beas style, you can always change it in the configuration wizard. Thank you for your attention, and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.